Start by holding your yarn tail between your thumb and middle finger. Using your pointer and middle finger, wrap the yarn around those fingers twice. Now take the working yarn and lay it diagonally across the two loops you just made, holding it in place with your ring and pinky finger. Grab your crochet hook and slide it under both loops on your fingers and up over the diagonal strand. Rotate your hook so that the hook side faces downward, then catch that diagonal strand and pull it under the two loops. Then turn your hook so that it's facing you, and you should now have a small loop on your hook. Next, yarn over with that diagonal strand and pull it through the loop to make one chain. Use your right hand to pinch that chain to hold the ring in place while you gently slide your fingers out. Most round projects start with 6 or 8 single crochets. So I'm going to make 6 single crochets into this ring, working over all the strands. Once you've made your stitches, it's time to close the ring. Remove your hook and leave a big loop so nothing unravels. Pinch the end of your single crochets with one hand, and with your other hand, pull the yarn tail just enough to see which of the two loops moves. Whichever strand moves, pull that one from the side you're pinching, and tighten it as much as you can without breaking the yarn. You may need to flatten your work a bit as you go, so take your time. When that's tightened, pull the yarn tail firmly to close the center completely. And that's it. You can continue your project by slip stitching to the first single crochet or by working in continuous rounds, whichever your pattern calls for.